Welcome to the future of corporate planning. We are exploring how ChatGPT Enterprise acts as a strategic second brain. Strategy teams often struggle with fragmented data. When reports are scattered, synthesis becomes slow, leading to inconsistent insights and repeated manual work. These silos create real operational friction. We spend more time gathering data than actually analyzing it, and as a result, strategic opportunities slip through the cracks. We solve this with a shared intelligence hub. This workspace continuously synthesizes internal signals and external trends for high-speed executive decision-making. First, let's see how we configure the Corporate Planning Intelligence Workspace. We name the project and set clear instructions to align the AI with this QSR's corporate planning goals. We define the AI's role as a QSR analyst. This keeps every response focused on risks and strategic implications, so the context stays consistent across the entire session. Rules keep the AI accurate. We tell it to prioritize our uploaded reports, so every executive summary is grounded in real operational data, not generic assumptions. Now let's put that knowledge to work and draft an executive economic brief. Watch as the AI pulls insights directly from the preloaded research reports. No re-uploading files, no re-explaining context. Everything is already in the project's memory. AI reasons across different dimensions. It balances macro trends with internal performance to surface competitive shifts. What used to take days of alignment across teams now happens in minutes. Now watch how different AI personas collaborate within the same thread. This is where team alignment happens in real time. By calling the Strategy Intelligence GPT, we bring in a new layer of expertise, an AI thinking partner that helps leadership walk into any meeting fully prepared. Leadership meetings are high stakes. Our AI anticipates CFO concerns around margins and CMO focus on brand demand, surfacing the right justifications before we enter the room. This isn't just a summary, it's a script for success. By refining responses beforehand, the whole team enters the room with total confidence. Context persists even when we start a brand new conversation. Even in a brand new chat, the context is still there. We can immediately benchmark this QSR's digital adoption against competitors. No need to start over. The AI picks up right where we left off, tracking store expansion, the rise of digital ordering as a core channel, and market share shifts over time. By pulling together research from sources like Statista and BCG, we get a clear picture of the competitive landscape and where the biggest regional franchise opportunities are. Now let's ask ChatGPT to identify the top 3 high-impact actions for the next 2 years. We can see ChatGPT surfacing high-impact opportunities, regional expansion, premium tiers, each backed by a market signal and a business impact score. These aren't just ideas, they're concrete recommendations. Each action is mapped to a specific market signal, turning raw data into a clear growth roadmap. We wrap up by generating a board-level memo. In seconds, we have a polished summary ready for the boardroom. This is where it gets powerful. We let the AI play the role of a critical board member, challenging our thinking before we walk into the room. The AI spots strategic risks and challenges optimistic assumptions, acting as a true thinking partner, making sure nothing gets missed. We call this enterprise reasoning at its best. ChatGPT doesn't just agree with us. It challenges our assumptions, pushes back on optimistic thinking, and helps leadership ask the harder questions before anyone else does. That means every major decision gets stress tested against the toughest scrutiny, so we move forward with confidence, not blind spots. ChatGPT Enterprise becomes Jollibee's shared strategy brain, turning data into decisions and helping every leader move faster and smarter. Together.